Looking for the best ColourPop Chrome Liquid Eyeshadow, color-shifting chrome eyeshadow with long-lasting and ultra-pigmented formula? Beetle. ColourPop Chrome Liquid, but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 10 best ColourPop Chrome Liquid Eyeshadow, color-shifting chrome eyeshadow with long-lasting and ultra-pigmented formula. Beetle. ColourPop Chrome Liquid, based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 10. Number 10. Charmacy Milano Charmacy Multichrome Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. If you're looking for a show-stopping eyeshadow, this one delivers. I'm blown away by its holographic multichrome effect that shimmers and transforms under different lighting, giving you a mesmerizing multidimensional eye look that's just incredible. But what really sets it apart is its high pigment, one-step application that's a breeze to use. It glides on smoothly for a lightweight, sparkly finish that lasts all day without fading or creasing. And the best part? It's gentle and comfortable to wear, even on sensitive skin, thanks to its skin-friendly, cosmetic-grade glitter and creamy texture. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free, making it a clean and ethical choice for conscious beauty lovers. Whether you're looking for a unique gift or just want to elevate your everyday look, this eyeshadow is a great choice. Just be sure to let it dry for a minute or two for a flawless hold. Overall, I'm really impressed with this product. Number 9. Enfuntins Duochrome Glitter Eyeshadow. Most eyeshadows in this category are just, well, flat. They don't really do much to elevate your look beyond a basic wash of color. But this one's different. It's like a magic trick for your eyes. It changes color before your eyes, shifting from a soft plum mauve base to a stunning iridescent blue-green sparkle. The high-impact glitter and metallic shimmer give it that trendy wet look finish, perfect for festivals or a fairycore vibe. And the formula? Long-lasting and highly pigmented, so you can be sure it'll stay in place all day without creasing or smudging. It's also super easy to apply, either with your fingertip for a bold look or a brush for a more subtle wash. Plus, it's compact and portable, making it a great travel companion. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, this eyeshadow is definitely worth checking out. It's a cruelty-free, beginner-friendly option with minimal fallout for a flawless finish. Number 8. e.l.f. 83443 Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow. Imagine you're getting ready for a night out with friends, and you want to add a little extra sparkle to your look, but you don't have a lot of time to fuss around with eyeshadow palettes. That's where this liquid eyeshadow comes in. With one swipe, you get a gorgeous, high-impact eye look that's sure to turn heads. It's designed for comfortable wear, so you don't have to worry about it feeling heavy or irritating your eyes, and the best part is the minimal fallout, so you can apply it quickly and easily without making a mess. Plus, it's available in 8 different shades to suit any style or skin tone. This is perfect for anyone who wants a quick and easy way to add some drama to their eye makeup, and it's small enough to pop into your clutch for on-the-go touch-ups. Number 7. ColourPop Eyeshadow Palette Eye Makeup Palette. I'm absolutely loving this eyeshadow palette. It's a total game-changer for anyone who wants to elevate their makeup look without sacrificing ease of use or versatility. This palette is perfect for anyone who wants to create a range of different looks, from soft daytime styles to bold evening vibes, with its curated mix of matte, metallic, and sparkle finishes in a variety of wearable tones. The formula is ultra-pigmented and long-lasting, delivering intense color payoff with just one swipe and lasting from day to night without fading. Plus, the smooth and blendable application makes it a breeze to get seamless, customizable looks, and the silky pressed powder formula applies evenly and blends effortlessly with your favorite eyeshadow brushes. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, this palette is a must-have for anyone who wants to take their makeup skills to the next level. It's honestly obsession-worthy. Number 6. ColourPop Golden Hour Eyeshadow Palette Sunset Tone Eye Makeup Palette. Are you still searching for that perfect eyeshadow palette that's easy to travel with, versatile, and delivers intense color payoff all day long? This product is a game-changer, offering 16 stunning shades in a range of finishes, from warm sunset golds and bronzes in matte, metallic, pearlescent glitter, matte sparkle, and duochrome finishes. What I love most is how ultra-pigmented and long-lasting these shadows are, staying vibrant from morning till night without any fading. The silky, velvety formula applies smoothly and blends effortlessly, making it a dream to work with, even for beginners. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this palette is designed to be fun, fearless, and accessible, perfect for creating easy everyday looks or bronzed sunset eyes with just one swipe. Simply put, if you're after a high-quality, cruelty-free eyeshadow palette that's perfect for on-the-go, this one's a must-have. Number 5. ColourPop X Twilight New Moon Eyeshadow Stick. Compared to the usual run-of-the-mill eyeshadows that can be finicky and require a lot of effort, this product delivers a surprisingly high-impact payoff with just one swipe, thanks to its creamy, ultra-pigmented formula that sets to a long-lasting, crease-resistant finish. Perfect for anyone who wants a bold, effortless eye look, it's especially great for those who don't have the time or skills to blend and perfect their makeup. The lightweight formula glides on smoothly, and the built-in sharpener keeps the tip precise, making it easy to wear this product in multiple ways, from a quick everyday look to a dramatic night-out eye. With its blendable silicones and vitamin E, this eyeshadow is comfortable to wear and creates a stunning chrome color shift that catches the light. Overall, this product is a standout in its category, delivering a fun, fearless, and accessible beauty experience that's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their makeup routine. Number 4. ColourPop BFF Crème Gel Waterproof Chrome Eyeliner Kit 18HR Wear. Imagine you're getting ready for a night out, and you're trying to perfect your cat eye look, but you're struggling to get the liner to stay in place. That's where this incredible eyeliner comes in. Its Multichrome Crème Gel formula is a game-changer, delivering vibrant color with a unique chrome finish that's going to make you stand out in a crowd. You get 3 shifting chrome shades: Wild Idea, which goes from lime green to teal, Ventura Boulevard, which goes from cobalt blue to purple, and Actin Up, which shifts from purple to bronze to green, giving you endless options for a unique look. It's also waterproof and long-lasting, so you don't have to worry about it smudging or fading throughout the day. It's built for 18HR performance, after all. This is perfect for anyone who wants to add some drama to their lash line or waterline, or blend it out for a smoky effect. And the best part? It's cruelty-free and designed for real life, making it a must-have for anyone who wants to have fun with their beauty routine. Number 3. ColourPop All Amethyst Eyeshadow Palette Metallic Opalescent. Unlike a lot of makeup palettes that can feel bland and uninspiring, this one really stands out with its unique amethyst vibes. It's not just a pretty palette, though. The formula is long-lasting, using softer powders that adhere easily and give a soft focus effect. This makes it perfect for anyone who wants to add some bold color to their everyday look, like those who are feeling adventurous and want to try something new. I think it's especially great for people who are looking for a fun and fearless way to express themselves through makeup. The application tips are also super helpful, suggesting the use of flat and firmer brushes for maximum color payoff. Overall, this palette is a great choice for anyone who wants to add some excitement to their beauty routine. Number 2. ColourPop Shadow Stix Multichrome Eyeshadow Stick. This eyeshadow stick has one major advantage over the rest: it's ridiculously easy to use, and that's what makes it a total must-have. Perfect for anyone, from beginners who want a foolproof formula to pros who crave high-impact color, this shadow stick checks all the right boxes. It's long-lasting, ultra-pigmented, and cruelty-free, making it the ultimate addition to any makeup kit. Plus, the built-in sharpener is a genius idea, allowing you to create the most precise tip and really make your eyes pop. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, this versatile stick can be used as a shadow, a base, a liner, or even smudged out for a softer look. Number 1. ColourPop Chrome Liquid Eyeshadow Color Shifting Chrome Eyeshadow. One of the biggest challenges with eyeshadow is getting that perfect, high-impact look without the mess and hassle of multiple applications. But this liquid eyeshadow solves that problem with its one-swipe payoff feature, delivering an ultra-pigmented, shimmer finish in just one swipe that's perfect for anyone who wants to add some drama to their everyday look. The unique formula helps minimize creasing and smudging, so you can enjoy dazzling, long-lasting results that are easy to achieve. If you're looking for a versatile eyeshadow that's perfect for both subtle and statement looks, this is a great option. I'd say it's ideal for anyone who wants a quick and easy way to add some glamour to their makeup routine, and it's definitely worth considering if you're a busy bee who needs a product that delivers on its promises. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.